Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to buy vouchers using the Absa app. Start by downloading the Absa banking app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store in your smartphone. Install the app and log in using your Absa online banking credentials. Once you are logged into the app, navigate to the payments or transfers section. This is where you will find options related to making purchases, payments, and transfers. Look for an option like buy vouchers or buy airtime or data within the payments or transfer section. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the app version, but the functionality should be similar. Within the vouchers or airtime section, you may have the option to choose the type of voucher you want to buy. This could include vouchers for online services, prepaid electricity, gaming platforms, or others. Once you have selected the voucher type, you will need to enter the details of the voucher you want to purchase. This may include the voucher amount, recipient details, and any additional information required for the specific voucher type. After entering the voucher details, review the information to ensure it is correct. Then proceed to the payment section where you can select your funding source and confirm the purchase. Upon successful payment, you should receive the voucher either directly within the app or via email or SMS, depending on the voucher type and delivery method. Follow the instructions provided with the voucher to redeem it for the intended purpose. This could involve entering a code or using it during a checkout process on a specific platform. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.